Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Instagram that allows you to enhance your comment section by adding keywords to the comments filter on your PC. This feature is a game changer for managing spam and offensive comments, ensuring a more positive experience on your profile. Let's get started with the steps. First, open Instagram on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to expand the menu options. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram experience. Now, navigate to Hidden Words. This section is specifically designed to help you manage unwanted comments and messages. Click on it to enter the Hidden Words settings. Once you're in the Hidden Words section, you'll find an option labeled Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Click on this option to proceed. Here comes the crucial part. In the provided box, you can add keywords that you want to filter out from your comments. Make sure to separate each keyword with commas. For example, if you want to block terms like spam, scam, or any other unwanted phrases, just type them in one after another, separated by commas. After you've added all your desired keywords, don't forget to click Submit. This action saves your custom filters and activates them immediately, helping keep your comment section clean from any unwanted interactions. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your Instagram comments and maintain a more positive environment for your followers. Remember, keeping spam and offensive language at bay not only enhances your profile's aesthetic, but also encourages more genuine interactions with your audience. That's it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to add keywords to the comments filter on Instagram using your PC. Enjoy a cleaner comment section and a better Instagram experience.